Stop the car! Stop the car! Stop the f***ing car! Stop the f***ing car! Stop the f***ing car!
What you're about to watch is not a Hollywood scene. This was a real chase through the tight streets of Osasco, Brazil, and many people say it's some of the best chase footage ever caught on camera. It starts with a biker and his passenger doing wheelies and ripping through traffic. A motorcycle officer tries to stop them, but this rider has zero intention of slowing down. He cracks the throttle and drags police into a tense 6-minute pursuit through main streets and tight São Paulo back alleys. The rider slices traffic, leans impossibly tight through corners, and throws every trick he can to lose police. But, as gifted as he is, the officer glued to his back tire is just as sharp. Then things get even more intense when he drops into narrow one-way lanes. Is it worth someone's life to stop them? No. But this biker doesn't care. He's all in. And it's only about to get more insane. Watch how close he comes to clipping this bus. In these cramped Brazilian streets, these elite motorcycle units are the only ones who can even attempt stuff like this. Put a regular squad car behind him and he's gone instantly. And now traffic is squeezing tighter than ever. Our biker sees a red light. He's not touching those brakes.
Stopping.
The officer nearly had him, but the biker escapes again. At this point, he knows he needs to try something drastic to finally disappear. If he can't drop the cop in traffic, maybe he can lose him in the neighborhoods. It almost worked. If he hit that turn, he could have ripped through the alley while the cop bounced down those stairs. But every chase eventually reaches its finish, even one this unreal. And with that control, confidence, and street knowledge, this was clearly not his first rodeo. But it's probably going to be his last, which is a shame. Because both of these guys could walk into a Hollywood stunt job tomorrow, replace that cop with James Bond, and you basically have a blockbuster opening scene. In Iowa, officers pulled over a wanted suspect, Dennis Jr., for a traffic stop. While they were checking his info, he suddenly hit the gas and tried to bolt, even with Officer Patrick McCarty standing right in front of his car. Dennis probably thought Patrick would dive out of the way, but he didn't. Instead, Officer McCarty jumped straight on the hood while Dennis tried to blast off, and McCarty grabbed the roof and held on as Dennis hit over 50 miles an hour.
Stop the car! Stop the car! Stop the f***ing car! Stop the f***ing car! Stop the f***ing car! Stop it! Stop the car! Put on the f***ing brakes! Put on the brakes! Stop the f***ing car! Stop the f***ing car, man!
Dennis drove nearly a full mile with the officer clinging to the car before ditching the vehicle and trying to run. Thankfully, police chased him down and arrested him, all thanks to McCarty's unreal courage. The officer only suffered minor back injuries and recovered. As for Dennis, he ended up sentenced to 5 years behind bars. On August 16, 2020, Daytona Beach police pulled over 24-year-old Kevin Morales for speeding, but Kevin had zero plans of waiting around. He punched it and kicked off a high-speed chase down Interstate 4. A police helicopter tracked him from above, while ground units prepped spike strips. With that pilot guiding them, officers kept eyes on the blue Honda hatchback and eventually boxed this speed junkie in. But it took multiple tries.
Yep, next car coming to you, outside lane.
We got him.
Did you guys hit him or not?
Down there.
Spiking someone's tires sounds simple, but it's not. When the suspect is doing triple digits, timing is everything. This isn't some racing game where cops just toss spikes in front of you. They have to hit those tires at the exact right second and avoid innocent drivers. Police set up another spike attempt. Kevin tried juking them by taking an exit, but the chopper kept officers locked on his every move.
Negative, he's passing. Hey, stand by, he might be getting off here. He's exiting onto Saxon. Okay, he's not going westbound. He's either going eastbound or he's going to continue.
15 under I-4.
Yeah, he's continuing westbound. He's not taking the exit onto Saxon. He's in the on-ramp to I-4 right there.
Good job.
Nobody survives 2 successful spike hits. Kevin was running on fumes at this point. It still didn't stop him from weaving through traffic and risking lives. Thankfully, nobody was close when he finally lost control.
Chris, get ready. Make sure you're behind cover, buddy. What's the status on Central Central?
They've got the information. We don't know who's en route yet.
Okay, he's spinning out, guys. Looks like his tire just went out. He's just lost control. He's off to the median.
62 Central. He's signal 4. Signal 12. Signal 12. He's continuing south.
The chase fired right back up seconds later, though, and Kevin's car ended up in swampy water.
He appears to have it under control mostly. It got a slight weave in it, but he's still center lane westbound. Looks like normal speed almost. All right, he's off. He's off again, spinning. He's off. He's in the water. In the water, right-hand side.
Units, you're covering each other. Air 1, car into the water.
Affirmative. He's off to the right in the water. He's in the ditch. They have not exited yet. Doors open, but he has not exited.
All right, guys, just about to bail. Get our covered.
Okay, you have one white male coming out the driver's side. He's not running. There's also another person inside the vehicle.
Show me your hands! Hands! Step away from the car! Step away from the car! Hands up! Hands up!
Guys, call them out to you.
Face away! Face away!
10-3, felony stop.
Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up in the door! Pull open your shirt! Pull up your shirt!
Police rushed in and took over. Kevin was ordered out at gunpoint and arrested. He was later charged with reckless driving, driving with no license, and resisting arrest. As for his passenger, she looked more worried about her phone than anything else. She tucked it into her waistband instead of dropping it, which is a horrible move when officers are aiming at you from 30 feet out. She wasn't charged and seemed to just be along for Kevin's reckless ride.